In this video, I will show you how to turn on game mode on Windows 10 or 11. So firstly click on Start, then Settings. Now here click on Gaming. Now click on Game Mode. You can turn on Game Mode. Optimize your PC for play by turning things off in the background. So optimize your PC and turn on this game mode. So very easy and simple way, just in 2 steps you can turn on game mode. And in case if you want to turn off, so make it off. That's it. So hopefully guys you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. By these simple steps we can know how to turn on game mode on Windows 10 or 11. Please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.